What if you entered a burrow and realized you're not alone? Deep underground, a surprising partnership exists. The gopher tortoise is one of nature's greatest underground engineers. It digs long, sandy tunnels that can stretch over 30 feet. These burrows are more than just homes. They are survival shelters, providing protection from heat, predators, and harsh weather. But the tortoise doesn't live here alone. Many animals use these burrows, including one of the most feared, the rattlesnake. In the darkness, these two species share the same space, not as enemies, but as silent neighbors inside the burrow. The temperature is stable. The air is cooler, food is limited, but safety is everything. The rattlesnake rests quietly while the tortoise moves slowly through its tunnels, each aware of the other, yet avoiding conflict. This is not friendship. This is survival. The tortoise provides the shelter. The snake takes advantage of it, and somehow, they coexist in the same hidden world beneath the surface. There is an entire ecosystem we rarely see. And sometimes the most unlikely creatures share the same home. Subscribe to explore more underground worlds.